So guys, today I'm back with another video. Today I'm back with my dad and we're going to be doing another taste testing. This is Christmas present. Yeah.
I don't want to make any faces because you're going to make fun of my face later on, so.
Well, you just made another face for me to make fun of it, so. Okay, so anyway, so we're going to be trying this. It's a holiday sampler.
Guys, want to see my new ring? Show you my ring here. Go with the camera. Move!
Right there.
That's a lame ring. What is that? A Trump ring?
You see that? Yeah. Yeah!
Okay.
Why are you being slow? She's so slow.
Okay.
You gotta be smarter than the box.
I know. I am. I'm opening it correctly. Watch out, Devin.
Gonna find a way out of it. Favorite bag.
It's not a bag. It's a box.
This is what it looks like. It gives you. I think this is summer sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, summer sausage. Two summer sausages. Cheese. 2 crackers and some nasty mustard.
Ow.
Ow! You're ruining the whole video.
Your mama.
No retakes.
Your mama ruined the whole video. I
Ah.
gotta also make a video real quick.
Okay. Ugh.
Some meat.
Busted lip.
Move away.
Ooh.
Moisturize.
The kind of individual packages.
When it's done, I want that container.
No.
Why?
Because you're gonna leave it in your room underneath your bed somewhere. And it's gonna
Okay.
stink.
No.
This is the summer
I'ma wash
sausage.
it
This
out.
is the
Tune in next week when we actually eat the sausage.
There's 2 summer sausages. This one's
Ow. You hurt me.
Why are you ruining my Christmas gift? It's supposed to be my Christmas gift.
This is the garlic one, and this is original. This is garlic. This is
That's
original.
what the crackers look like.
And we got the cheese.
And we got
And then
mustard, I
The
think.
little mustard. I'm keeping this jar. This way.
I just asked for it. Maya, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Let me see. Smells good.
It smells nasty. Ew.
Tastes good too.
Smells like
Butthole.
no, it smells like salt and vinegar chips.
Don't use that. I use that for my slime.
You're still gonna eat it.
I'm not eating that.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
are.
eating that.
I'll ruin your video. No, it's because why would you leave that there, Dakota?
I did.
I thought you put it out here to cut the sausage. I really honestly thought you brought the knife out to cut the sausage.
Original, and there's original garlic.
That's why I thought you brought it out here.
Yeah, no, let's just throw this out.
No, you're gonna eat some of it.
I don't like mustard.
So what? That's what a taste test video is for. You eat things that are new. Or do you just want to eat things that you like?
Things that I like.
Things that you like.
But you don't know
So
what.
then what
Okay,
about-
you just ruined the whole video.
I ruined her video?
Yes.
Wow.
Because you used the.
Yeah. It's telling me I'm gonna eat it. You're gonna eat it.
I eat it. Because like you, I'm not wasteful.
Is that the original?
Cut the paper with it.
Bro.
Okay, so yesterday we were driving to Wisconsin, and my brother, we all got gum, and my brother, he was eating the gum, and then he put it in his wrapper, and then he took it out and put it back in his mouth, and then my brother was like, "Can I throw my gum away?" And then my mom was like, "Where's the wrapper?" And then Deborah was like, "I was chewing it with it."
And I've been eating the same gum for hours.
Now the cheese. Oh wait, we have to show 'em.
You guys are like,
Can they see it?
the cheese may be expired.
No, they're not like that.
We're just barely even talking now.
Okay, so
Get away from me, dog.
okay.
Dang, how is it so easy to open? At least just go like.
No more here.
You have to
Move away from me, Maya.
You have to put a you have to put mustard on it.
Ooh, ew.
He said,
Here.
ew.
Here.
It smells nasty.
I'll try it. Oh, no.
Devin, I can't even see you. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Eat it. I kind of don't like it.
Devin, you know you're an adult? You know you're an adult?
Mm-hmm.
You're in the toilet.
Huh?
I'm joking.
You know you're an adult?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
I
You
love
better
it.
not lose my Legos.
No.
Yeah.
We made
I
the
don't like it.
we
I
made the emoji button. You
The
remember?
mustard is like,
Hey. You remembered
10 stars. Go buy it.
You remembered?
I give it a 5 out of 10.
I give it a 1 out
Just
of
because of
10.
the mustard.
Hey.
Just running into my equipment. Sorry.
Hey.
Walk away from me.
Hey. Me.
Anyway, so I give it a 5 out of 10.
We made the
I
emoji
hope you like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and stay tuned for good videos.
button.
Okay.
The good videos are coming up. My birthday's coming up. Well, my birthday party is coming up on Saturday. Ugh.
Oh, also play Fortnite with me.
He's cracked at Fortnite, guys.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications on, and
Oh, my username.
stay bye.
What's up with the drink, Devin?
Huh?
Let me talk. Give some of this.
No, you can have the water.
Let me in my purse so I can get some painkillers, please.
Okay, so I have some good videos. Tomorrow is Thursday.
I might need water.
My friend Martage is coming over. This girl. And then on Friday, which is the day after Thursday, you should
Got
know,
2 more waters.
is my friend Olivia's coming over. This girl.
My purse, so
And the girl, Kaylee, you know, she lives across the street. Well, like across over there. So she'll be coming on Saturday, I think. So.
Oh,
Okay, guys, that's the end of this
No,
video.
no.
Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications on.
No.
Peace. What the heck?